Looking to supercharge your 2019 or 2020 Apple iMac 27-inch with Retina 5K display or the 2018 Apple Mac Mini? The factory original 32GB, 2x16GB, memory upgrade by Adamanta is here to elevate your computing experience. This upgrade kit, compatible with various iMac and Mac Mini models, features high-quality DDR4 2666 MHz PC4-21300 SATA memory. The 260-pin dual-rank modules are designed to ensure optimal performance and compatibility with your Apple device. This memory upgrade is particularly suitable for iMac models like the 2020 27-inch. With Retina 5K display, identified by model IDs 20, 1 and 22, including configurations with Intel i5 3.1 GHz, i5 3.3 GHz, i7 3.8 GHz, and i9 3.6 GHz processors. It also supports the early 2019 27-inch iMac with Retina 5K display, model ID 19-1, covering i5 3.0 GHz, i5 3.1 GHz, i5 3.7 GHz, and i9 3.6 GHz configurations. Additionally, it is compatible with the late 2018 Mac Mini, model ID Mac Mini 8-1, including i3 3.6 GHz, i5 3.0 GHz, and i7 3.2 GHz variants. What sets this memory upgrade apart is the use of genuine Hynix DDR4 modules. These non-parity, non-ECC, unbuffered SATA memory sticks ensure stability and reliability. Operating at a speed of 2666 MHz with a CL19 latency and a low voltage of 1.2 V, these modules are built for efficiency and longevity. The dual-rank design further enhances the data transfer rates and overall system responsiveness. Adamanta backs every module with a limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind and assurance of quality. Each module undergoes rigorous testing by the manufacturer, guaranteeing compatibility and performance. With hundreds in stock and a dedicated team of experienced technicians ready to provide free technical support, you can trust that this upgrade will meet your needs. Whether you're a creative professional handling intensive tasks like video editing and 3D rendering, or a casual user looking to improve multitasking and overall system fluidity, this memory upgrade is a smart investment. The enhanced memory capacity will allow your iMac or Mac Mini to handle more applications simultaneously, reducing lag and improving workflow efficiency. In summary, the factory original 32GB, 2x16GB, memory upgrade by Adamanta is an excellent choice for anyone looking to breathe new life into their Apple iMac or Mac Mini. Its high-quality components, robust performance, and reliable warranty make it a top pick for enhancing your system's capabilities. Upgrade today and experience a noticeable boost in your device's performance and productivity. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.